Oppo Music Link concepts revealed. The Music Link concept, meanwhile, represents a collection of devices that include a pair of true wireless earphones, smartwatch, AI speaker, portable charger, and a wireless charger. All the products that fall under the Music Link banner are designed to work seamlessly with each other, and it is conceivable that many of them, such as the earphones, smartwatch and AI speaker, will be able to interact with the slide phone as well. Closer look at Oppo and Nendo's conceptual designs. With Music Link, all the pieces feature cross-compatibility. For instance, the wireless smartphone charger includes a recessed space to fit the true wireless earphones. In addition, simply placing the earphones in their charging case on top of the AI speaker can transition music playback from the earphones to the speaker. The emphasis here, just as it was with the slide phone, is on providing added convenience to the user. These are, of course, just concepts, and no clear timeline has been given for when these products could come to fruition. However, what is clear is that in the modern tech landscape where new smartphones, true wireless earbuds and smart speakers are being released so often, it's going to take truly creative ideas and designs to stand out from the crowd. These concepts created by the Oppo x Nendo collaboration may be some way away from production, but they're already succeeding in terms of creativity and intuitive design. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.